The new office space takes away the formality.
That particular space that suits their needs at that particular time.
My managing director afterwards even said, "I didn't believe you could do it, but we did." I'm George Coffin. I am the facilities manager for EMEA for Plantronics. We had 4 buildings originally, and we looked at the 4-3-2-1 process of trying to get everybody to work together in one building. We had, I think it was 27 different revisions of the design. But the way we got around it was one cold winter's morning. I finally gathered everybody together, and we walked through and we talked through every area of the design together. And then from that moment on it was, yep, that's what we want. When the builders finished, everybody saw white, grey and black. But we didn't want the colours to be there, we wanted it to be subtle, so we've introduced colours within the furniture.
The space is designed to reflect the type of work that people do. That's communicate, collaborate, concentrate or contemplate, and each of those requires a different type of workspace.
Downstairs we've made a nice area for the engineers. Upstairs, totally different working environment. We have very, very few walls upstairs, and the walls that we do have go in the right direction. By that I mean that it's letting natural daylight come through.
It frees the mind more. I remember an old boss of mine who always said, people who work in little boxes think in little boxes, and I think by not having those little boxes it opens people's minds, and interaction is a lot freer and easier. There are no set rules as to where you have to work. It's meant to be fun, it's meant to make you feel uplifted, it's meant to feel not like a confined office space.
We put in wireless LANs, so that basically means that people are free to work from wherever they wish to work at any particular time. We've implemented all the latest unified communications tools, so everyone will be using soft phones and their headsets to make and receive all their voice calls. We'll be using conference phones that have a 360-degree webcam view for anyone in the meeting room. And also in the larger meeting rooms, we've installed short throw projectors, which are wireless and interactive and allow people to whiteboard and annotate real time on their presentations.
One of the main ideas that we've come up with is the acoustic excellence. The acoustic boards, if you like, wall boards, some with graphics, some without graphics, they help take the noise away. Acoustic ceilings, the acoustic benefit of the ceiling tiles that we currently have, 80% acoustic reduction just within those tiles. Add to that acoustic furniture, we've got acoustic pods, we've introduced a heat recovery system and a fresh air system. The lighting is all PIR, and also it's all energy saving. We're now looking to put solar energy this year, added to a phase 2 of the build, and then that will give us another major benefit environmentally and financially.
It's just nice to be involved in a project that we actually give something back to our associates, because the company is our people.